Periodontal Microsurgery by Sushma Arulanandan, Sakthi Devi S. and Sarvana Kumar R. In periodontology, the concept of microsurgery has reached great level of precision and accuracy in clinical sciences. It focuses primarily on enhanced illumination and visual acuity, which helps in achieving better wound closure, improved aesthetics, as well as minimal discomfort to the patients. When compared to the conventional surgical techniques, microsurgery has gained popularity owing to its patient acceptance, minimal post-operative discomfort, and aesthetic requirements of both patients and the clinicians. But in order to achieve proficiency in the art of microsurgery, it demands tedious levels of training and continuous practice. This library dissertation gives a comprehensive review of the three main concepts of microsurgery, namely magnification, illumination, and microsurgical instruments, and also attempts to highlight their significance in achieving better results than the conventional surgery. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.